Out here, this is just going to be great. Beautiful you guys, man. Okay, thank you very much.
Please, we're going to give it back to you. We got boxing gloves, we got pictures, we got autographs, we've got everything. But once again, he is the real thing, man. Would you please? Let's begin. Let's go.
Mike Tyson! Hey! Come on! Hey! Mike sucks! Mike sucks!
You want to get sucked